Euclid's Elements, Book 1, Prop 18. The greater side subtends the greater angle. So if we have a triangle, call it triangle ABC, and if in this triangle, side AC is greater than side AB, that's our given, then we want to prove that the angle that subtends the greater side, namely this angle here, the angle at B, is greater than the angle that subtends the smaller side, namely here the angle at C. So here's our given, and we're going to prove that the angle at B is greater than the angle at C, that the greater side subtends the greater angle, and the lesser side subtends the lesser angle. To begin this proof, we're going to cut off from the greater AC a portion equal to AB. So we're going to cut off, say, AD here equal to AB, and then connect those. So if we're keeping track in our do and our y, we're going to use prop 3 to make AD equal to AB. And now when we're going to look at this triangle here, we look at triangle DBC, and we see that DC has extended, and therefore it creates an external angle. So we know from prop 16 that angle ADB, the external angle, is greater than the opposite interior angle, namely the angle at C. Now we're also going to take a look at, we can use prop 5, and prop 5 tells us when we have an isosceles triangle, which we do because AD is equal to AB, then the base angles are equal. And so let me color block the base angles here and say green. This base angle is equal to this base angle. All right, so angle ABD is equal to the exterior angle ADB. But now look, if ABD is equal to ADB, that means these are equal to each other, right? And I've color blocked them that way. But if ABD is equal to ADB and ADB is greater than AC, then angle ABD, this angle here, is greater than angle C, because this is equal to this and this is greater than this, therefore this is greater than this. And now the last thing to note is that our original angle at B includes this whole thing. And therefore this part, right, ADB, the whole angle at B is greater than the angle ABD. Because the whole is greater than the part, combination 5. Therefore, this angle at B is greater than this angle, which is equal to this angle, which is greater than this. Therefore, this whole angle B is greater than C. Angle B is greater than angle C. And that's what we're trying to prove. Therefore, in a triangle, the greater side subtends the greater angle. Oh, QED.